I'm Kim, the Abundant Traveler, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my tips and tricks and everything that you need to know before you go to Deer Valley in Utah. I absolutely love to ski. I can't tell you how much I love to ski. I've been skiing as long as I can remember, and in my 20s, I was a ski instructor in Austria. Here, I am sitting at the base of the mountain in Deer Valley, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to buy tickets, how to get here, where to go, where to stay, and what to do while you're in Deer Valley. So let's go ahead and get started. The most important thing to know about Deer Valley is this is luxury skiing at its best. It's all about concierge service here. They actually have ski valets that will pick up your skis from your car. And when you drive around and take the shuttle, they also have a ski valet in the evening where you can store your skis. They are all about skiing here. There are no borders here, only skiers, and no terrain parks as well. This is all about luxury. Everybody is here who works here in their green outfits. Everyone is here to take great care of you. So where is Deer Valley located? It's located 36 miles from Salt Lake City, which you can fly into and take an Uber or a SUV here into Deer Valley. Something to note about the area is the closest city is actually Park City, which is maybe 3 to 4 miles down the road. Here in Deer Valley, it is the resort and the base of the resort, and then hotels and lots of ski in, ski out, and snowmobiles. There's lots of ski in, ski out. There's the St. Regis. There's just here the Black Diamond as well, but there's not much of a town here, and you won't find a lot of restaurants in this area. So you'll have to go back to Park City and possibly on Main Street to check out some of the amazing restaurants. So Deer Valley is part of the Wasatch Range and gets about 300 inches of snow annually. What is interesting though, back to the luxury and the concierge service here, they have snow machines that can cover up to 660 miles of snowmaking. Pretty crazy. They have over 20 lifts here, including one gondola. They also have 103 different runs here. There is plenty to ski, plenty to ski. The base of the mountain is at 6,570 feet, and at the top is just over 9,500 feet. There is gorgeous sun here all of the time as well. Something that is special about Utah in general is the champagne powder. It is so dry and so delicious to ski on. Here they have more cats and more grooming equipment than basically anywhere in the U.S. Again, it's all about the luxury, laid back, delicious skiing here. They have about 27% green runs, 40% blue runs, and 30% black runs. They have some double black diamonds as well, and they have plenty of terrain for any skier and any level that you are. Getting a lift pass here is not cheap though. If you get a season pass, depending on the time of year and who you are, they can range from $1,500 up to over $3,000. If you're part of the Icon Pass, which is a season pass, you can ski here in Deer Valley 7 days on your Icon Pass. If you're buying just a one-day ticket, it is about $200 per day, and they are limited in the amount of people that are allowed to come on the mountain each day. They only allow 7,500 tickets to be sold, so you're never going to find massive lift lines like you do in some of the other resorts. Again, it's all about the luxury here. So a little bit of history about Deer Valley. There were runs here back in the 1930s, but in 1981 is when Edgar Stern actually created this resort called Deer Valley. Since the early 80s, this resort has grown to multiple peaks, more runs, more lifts, everything that you can imagine to make your ski experience phenomenal. This resort is so unique and special that in 2020 and 2021, Condé Nast Traveler Reader's Choice Awards gave Deer Valley the #1 resort. If you're interested in going skiing for the first time and you don't know what to pack, then definitely go to the description below. I have a free packing guide for you. All you have to do is sign up, and it gives you everything that you're going to need, from goggles to gaiters to the perfect jacket. Just go to the description below and click the link that says free packing guide. So where should you stay when you're skiing in Deer Valley? Well, one of the best things to do is to be in the ski in, ski out areas. Perhaps you can stay at the St. Regis, which is phenomenal. They actually après ski at 5 o'clock. They still savor a bottle of champagne, which is really cool. Or you can stay at the Black Diamond, or you can stay in one of the other resorts in the area. Most of them have a shuttle service into the ski area of Deer Valley. You can also stay over in Park City if you're more on a budget, and you can be closer to the restaurants and other things to do. Restaurants like Chimayo and 350 Main and Handle, or you can stay super inexpensive and stay out in Salt Lake City, get an Airbnb out there, and do the 30-minute drive in each day. Something to note though, that during high season, this sort of 2.5 to 3 miles up into the valley can take you up to an hour to get in here and get parked during the high season, during Christmas and President's Day and spring break. So that is definitely something to note. If you're coming in the off season, I got up here today, I'm here mid-January, and I got up here in about 5 minutes from Park City because there wasn't any traffic. So just pay attention to the time of year you're going and decide which budget you want to travel in. If you are interested in looking at the different hotels and resorts and things, I have left several options in the description below. So at the base of the mountain, there are actually 2 places to rent skis if you do not have your own. Deer Valley has their own rental downstairs, or you can go to JanSport, which is upstairs on the main level. As I mentioned previously, this is just a resort. It's not a real town. So here in the resort, you have the Deer Valley Signature Shop. You have JanSport if you need to buy some gear. You have a kids center as well. You also have your free ski valet in the evenings, and downstairs you can rent lockers, or you can rent baskets and put your skis in over the night. So in other words, you can just bring your clothes, leave everything here, take care of everything here, and then have your normal clothes and go back to town or back to your resort and not worry about a thing that you need for being on the mountain, because you can store it all here. So when skiing, whether you're a beginner or intermediate, I do recommend taking ski lessons. It's really, really important to be trained by professionals when you're learning to ski, and also when you want to advance. I've been skiing for 40 years. And I still take ski lessons. I actually went to Taos one year to do ski week just to learn how to ski moguls. So ski lessons are really, really important. When you're taking a group lesson in Deer Valley, the best part about it, a group lesson is only up to 4 people, and it's about $250 a person. You can also get a private for as many people as you want. You just get your private instructor, and that is for $1,200 a day. You know what? $1,200 seems a lot, but if it's a family of 4, getting that private lesson is well worth it. Additionally, if you have friends and you get a private lesson that are different levels, you can maybe the beginner ski to half day with an instructor and the more advanced ski in the other half of the day. But again, it's extremely important to get proper ski lessons. Do not learn from your friends and family, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, and definitely don't try and teach your kids, because that is just too much. So there are some great places to eat on the mountain, and I do recommend going and having the big buffet at the Stein Eriksen. If you can stay at the Stein Eriksen, there's nothing better. Okay, maybe the St. Regis and the Stein Eriksen are similar, but having the buffet at the Stein Eriksen is the bomb. Of course, you want to ski and go late to the buffet, and then that's the end of the day, because after that buffet that goes on for days, you don't want to go skiing after. All you want is a nap after that. Back to where we're eating. On the mountain, there are plenty of places to eat, and the food is fantastic here at Deer Valley. I would say it's some of the highest quality mountain food that you can find anywhere in the United States. If you are not a skier, or you want to come down to après ski or come down for lunch, or maybe you're just a beginner, You can go to Fresh Tracks, and they are famous for their turkey chili, which I actually ate for lunch today. That was absolutely delicious. And it's beautiful to sit inside if you get cold, or upstairs outside to have a beer and your turkey chili. It's a great way to spend the afternoon watching the sun go down behind the mountains. If you are not a skier at all, there is a great organization here. You can go snowmobiling, you can go dog sledding, you can go cross-country skiing, you can take all of these other activities as well. So if you want to go snowmobiling, then you can go with the Deer Valley Resort. All the other activities like dog sledding and cross-country skiing and all of that, that is with All Seasons Adventures out of Park City. They are the #1 place that you can rent, and they actually have a spot inside where you can book everything. You can also go online if you want to book their adventures. So if this is your first time to ski, definitely check out the first time skiing video that I put out, my packing video that I have put out, as well as some of the other first time skiing videos that are available to you. I love to ski, and I love to make skiing and ski adventures easier on you. So to recap a couple of the most important things, Deer Valley is all about luxury, concierge service, and a upgraded skiing experience. No borders here, no train parks. It's all about skiers, and it's all about luxury. Getting a ski instructor is about $250 in a group lesson, only 4 people, as well as a private is $1,200. There are 103 runs, and there is so much terrain here to ski. It's about 36 miles from Salt Lake City, and you can stay here, ski in, ski out, or you can stay in Park City or in Salt Lake. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. This is such a unique experience skiing in Deer Valley. There's nothing quite like it here in the continental U.S. I am Kim, the Abundant Traveler. I thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in Deer Valley skiing down an amazing mountain here and having a wonderful time with a little bit of the valet concierge service. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.